Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hotspot Shield VPN on Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, you need to download the application onto your computer. To do this, open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, look at the address bar at the top of the screen and carefully type in Hotspot Shield VPN, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will load the official Hotspot Shield website in your browser window. Once the official website loads completely, you need to look carefully around the page for the download option. The website might first show you promotions for their premium plans or a free trial. If that happens, don't be confused, just slowly scroll down the page until you specifically find the basic free version. You are looking for a button that is clearly labeled something like Download Free or Get Hotspot Shield Free. When you find it, take your mouse and make a single click on this button to start downloading the installer file directly to your computer. Once the file is finished downloading, you now need to find it on your computer. The file will most likely be in your Downloads folder. You can usually open this folder quickly by clicking the download icon in your web browser, or by looking for the Downloads folder in your File Explorer. Inside the folder, look for the Hotspot Shield installer file. It will usually have a name like Hotspot Shield Setup.exe. When you see it, move your cursor over the file and double-click on it to open and run the installer. The installation wizard will now appear on your screen. This is the program that will guide you through installing the software. You might see a user account control pop-up asking for permission to make changes to your device. If you do, simply click Yes. Inside the wizard, you will see a button that says Install. Go ahead and click that button with your mouse to begin the actual setup process. The installation process will now begin and will only take a few moments to complete. You will see a progress bar indicating how the installation is proceeding. It's very important that you do not close the window while this is happening. When the installation is fully finished, you will see a final confirmation message on the screen. You should then click the Finish button to complete the entire setup process, and this will also automatically launch the Hotspot Shield application for you. When you open Hotspot Shield for the first time, you'll be greeted with a message about privacy and security. It will mention that Hotspot Shield does not store logs, which is great for your privacy. Click OK to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to either log in or create an account. If you are using the free version, you can skip this step entirely and continue as a guest user. Now you are ready to use Hotspot Shield. On the main dashboard, you will see a large button or option to connect to the VPN. Simply click Connect. The application will then automatically find and connect to the fastest available server for you. Once connected, you will see your VPN status change to Connected, and your IP address will be successfully masked. It's important to remember that the free version provides up to 500 megabytes of data daily, which is useful for basic browsing or lightweight tasks. If you want to check the performance, Hotspot Shield has a built-in speed test feature you can use. Alternatively, you can also use an external speed testing service. Just keep in mind that all VPNs may slightly reduce your internet speed due to the encryption process, but Hotspot Shield generally provides decent speeds for a free service. For a much better and unlimited VPN experience, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers unlimited data, significantly faster speeds, and a massive network of servers worldwide. It also includes advanced security features like double encryption and threat protection to block malware. Best of all, NordVPN provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free.